Hi there, I'm Marie. I'm a working mom of 3 and I use Notion to lighten my mental load. In this video, I'll show you how I use Notion's new buttons to add recurring events to my family calendar. So recently Notion brought out this great new button feature, which I've been using in my family task manager, but unfortunately it's meant that the template buttons that I used to use for my recurring events in my family calendar are no longer a supported feature. So I'm going to convert these template buttons into the new Notion button features. Now for some reason, Notion will not let me drag events into the button creator from my current Add Recurring Event page, but it seems to let me do it from my family calendar dashboard. So from this dashboard, I'm going to create a new button. I'm just going to create it in this callout /button, and I'm going to select Insert Block as the action. I'm going to call this Add Tennis, and I need the day and time of the event. So it's Thursday at 12:45 p.m. And what I can then do is drag one of these events into the block. And that should allow me to create new instances of this event. Now, I don't actually want this button to appear on my dashboard, so I'm going to move it to my Add Recurring Events page. So let me type in recurring, and I will find the right one, which is in my shared templates. And then I'm going to visit that page, and you can see once the page loads that this button has landed right at the bottom of the page, and I'm going to move it into my right-hand column. So now when I click the button, let's move to today, it will create an instance of the tennis lesson. And if I drag the tennis lesson into the calendar, just in the same way as I used to for my templates that you can still see above, it will, oh no, I don't want to drag my whole button, let's undo that. If I create the instance first, and there it is under the button, and I can drag that into the Friday, and you can see that we have the correct time, and we have the correct event type, and the correct family member, and this is for both of the instances that I've created. The only thing that's changed is the day on which the event is happening. So I hope this mini tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And if you get a chance, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.